Let's divide 308 by 2. Hey math adventurers, if you're having fun learning with us, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a super fun math adventure. Join the Let's Stud family. All right, let's start dividing 308 by 2. We'll look at the first digit, which is 3. We're using the first digit, 3, to start. No digits to carry over yet. How many times does 2 fit into 3? It fits 1 time. Let's check. 1 times 2 is 2. Write that down. Now subtract 2 from 3. What's left? A remainder of 1. Great job, you figured out the first part. We have a remainder of 1. Let's bring down the next digit to make a new number. Okay, we have a remainder of 1. Let's bring down the next digit, 0, to make 10. We bring down the 0 next to the remainder 1, creating the number 10. How many times does 2 go into 10? It's 5 times. Let's see, 5 times 2 equals 10. Perfect. Subtract 10 from 10. We get 0, no remainder this time. Awesome work, you're halfway there. We're doing fantastic. Let's bring down the last digit to finish up. We're at the last step. We have 0 as a remainder. Bring down the next digit, 8, to make 8. We bring down the 8 next to the remainder 0, making the number 8. How many times does 2 fit into 8? It's 4 times. Let's check. 4 times 2 is 8. Exactly. Subtract 8 from 8. The remainder is 0. We're all done. You did it. You're a long division champion. We've divided 308 by 2 and found our answer. Great job. So 308 divided by 2 is 154. We just tackled 308 divided by 2 step by step. Remember, long division is like a puzzle, and you solved it like a math whiz. Keep practicing and you'll become a division superstar. Great job, everyone. That's all for this video. Check out more awesome math adventures on Let's Stud. Keep that curiosity buzzing.